Eat in, Robin. You're on video now. Don't mess up.
Through the jibe though, no?
No, you don't. On these boats, you don't have to.
These ones are okay to snap?
Yeah, they can go best by themselves. Well, that was a nice sequence. Nice.
It's more intuitive than I thought it would be.
When you're watching the boat, you can tell if it's sailing fast or not. When you're on a boat, a lot of people have a hard time really telling if they're sailing fast, and so they don't know if they are setting the sails right or anything.